The default templates in SOLIDWORKS have used a coordinate system with the y-axis pointing upward since its original release in 1995. While many users have become accustomed to this orientation, some downstream operations such as CAM software, 3D printing slicers, and other CAD programs use an orientation with the z-axis pointing up, and this can cause complications when importing a y-up CAD model from SOLIDWORKS. There's been workarounds to simulate a z-up orientation in SOLIDWORKS for many years, but they're not ideal. So let's take a look at the new z-up option for parts and assemblies available in SOLIDWORKS 2025. To create a part or assembly using a z-up orientation, create a new part as you normally would, but be sure that you're using advanced mode in the new document dialog or this option won't appear. Additionally, keep in mind that z-up is only available for the default templates that are installed with SOLIDWORKS, so tabbing over to custom templates will cause the option to disappear. Then simply click OK, and you'll find that the reference triad at the bottom left corner of the viewport shows the z-axis pointed upward. Additionally, the default planes and model views are adjusted to match the new orientation, and from here you can continue designing as you normally would. The z-up option is super easy to enable and can be particularly helpful if you plan on exporting your finished SOLIDWORKS file to another program that uses a z-up orientation, as it will ensure proper positioning on import. We do have a few notes about this new functionality to be aware of though. First, if you're performing a clean installation of SOLIDWORKS 2025, you'll be prompted to specify the default orientation for the standard templates in the same dialog used to specify the default unit system. This is the only opportunity you'll be given to choose a default orientation, and it can't be adjusted after the fact through system options, so be sure to take a moment and consider which option is best for you. Additionally, the new z-up option only applies to new documents. If you need to convert an existing model to a z-up orientation, you'll need to use the move copy body command, the option to apply z-up views, or realistically a combination of both. The option to apply z-up views can also be used to create custom templates with a z-up orientation in older versions of SOLIDWORKS that don't offer z-up as an option for new parts and assemblies. We think the new z-up option is going to be really useful for a lot of SOLIDWORKS users, but let us know what you think in the comments. And if you found this video useful, do us a big favor and give it a like so other SOLIDWORKS users can find it too. If you're looking to learn more about what's new in SOLIDWORKS 2025, consider subscribing to the channel for our latest releases, or visit our full What's New series available now at solidprofessor.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.